Discover the breathtaking geography of Moldova. Close your eyes and picture rolling hills kissed by sunlight, endless green plains, and rivers winding through lush landscapes. This is Moldova, a landlocked treasure in Eastern Europe, bordered by Romania and Ukraine. Often overlooked, its serene beauty is a traveler's delight waiting to be explored. Moldova's fertile plains are the lifeblood of its landscapes, offering a canvas of vibrant vineyards and vast farmland. The country's rich soil grows grapes destined for world-famous wines. As you wander, you'll find forests tucked amidst the hills, offering a peaceful escape into untouched beauty. Cutting through Moldova with grace and purpose, the Dniester River is more than a natural wonder. It's a source of life, supporting agriculture and adding a tranquil charm to the countryside. Standing by its banks, you'll feel connected to the timeless rhythm of this enchanting land. From charming rural scenes to panoramic views atop rolling hills, Moldova promises moments that will still your heart and stir your soul. Its geography is a harmonious blend of natural beauty and cultural significance, a place where adventure meets serenity. Let Moldova inspire your next adventure. Whether you're a nature lover, a wine enthusiast, or simply seeking unspoiled landscapes, this hidden gem has it all. Hit that plan button today and uncover the captivating geography of Moldova, a place that's calling you to explore, dream, and discover.